We're headed to Ikea before we get our household goods picked up before going back to Hawaii, getting our last minute stuff from Ikea.
In 500 feet, your destination will be on the left.
We are at Ikea. Ooh. So get cart boy so you can sit down. Put your feet. Yeah. Okay. Ooh. Yeah. Masanting larang kitchen. Yeah. Ayan so. No, it might be the wrong size. They should have Ikea in Hawaii, right? For what? Those are nice too. Yeah. That. What? They got nice setup here too. The bedroom set. Yeah. But they're good for small rooms. Or condo. It's good they have a Ikea in Philippines. See, that's good for a condo. That setup. Yeah. Is that your bear? Kiss your bear.
Get this or what? What do you think?
What? No.
Ha? Huwag mo ka na decide to.
Bless you. No, just get the like the sign on the tent. You can get that made.
Let's see, elephant.
Where's the bear? Where's the bear?
Look, which one you like? What's this? What's this? Look, look. What's this? Uy, elephant. Look.
No, he likes
You
that.
want this?
He likes the bear. They got food court too. But I think the one in Korea is better, right?
I think Korea's better.
They got better choices.
For food?
Yeah.
Here, Baba. Come on, let's go here.
Ooh, yummy. Oh, mura no? $2.99 breakfast.
49 kids meal.
They got $2 breakfast. Tara, mga ta.
Then back.
Look. See? $2.50, $1.99. Tara.
Saka.
Yeah. They got rainbow cake. I think that's blueberry cake. It's cheesecake. They look good, but I don't know if they taste good. Yummy, 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 yummy. Bear. Oh wow.
Oh, really? Already sold out.
Swedish. I'll get the Swedish meatballs.
I'll get one, the Swedish ball. Sure.
Get him side order fried rice.
One side order for fried rice.
Oh no, not fried rice. French fries. French fries. Yeah. Ikaw. Wee. Right there. Wee. Wee. We're still waiting for the salmon. It's not cooked yet.
Salmon fillet.
So now we have the baked salmon.
Salmon fillet.
Let's see if it's good. Oh, they got mac and cheese and vegetables. Eh,
Sorry, Bubba, you cannot eat mac and cheese.
it's good, but
It's good, but it's better.
the one you bake at home is better. The one we buy from
Costco.
Sam's or Costco. Not bad for $16. No, for everything.
whole thing?
Yeah.
Because there's a family discount
The
for
meat-
every Tuesday.
The meatballs and the salmon with side order of fries and a drink. 16.
potato.
$16. Problema, what on product? Which one? Where is the Coke? Yeah. Did you ask them for the stuff you're looking for? That's nice. They're all dark. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, these are good for condo, small apartment. Now time to pay. Want your bear, boy? Buri na yata. Did you put the number?
Oh, nagawa akong Friday.
Oh,
Para kay
Let's go.
Damage. Really? Gas siguro sa isang pamag nila sa Rabianco.
Turn left onto Metropolitan Street.